Hey guys, welcome back to Sturdy Max LML. We're doing a kitchen remodel right now, and I'm so glad I only have a 3-inch block in the rear of the truck right now. I have a 6.5 BDS lift with a 3-inch block, and pretty much leveled this thing out. It has about a ½ inch higher in the front than the rear, but if I had this truck any higher, it'd be kind of hard to work out of. This is my work truck. This is my daily driver every single day. And it makes it a lot easier putting stuff in and out of the back, knowing that I only have a 3-inch block in the rear. So if you want to go higher, really think about how it's going to be pulling stuff in and out of the truck on a daily basis. Alright, here it is, the kitchen. We're going to be tearing this kitchen out. Everything is falling apart in here. I cannot wait to get a new kitchen. We're going to do a really budget-friendly install. I don't have a lot of money to work on this project. It's going to be a lot of elbow grease. I'm going to grab a hammer and tear this thing out. Alright guys, well, it's been a long day. We've made some progress. We're going to pick it back up in the morning. We just painted the walls right now white, and there's still a lot to be done, so we'll see you tomorrow morning. Alright guys, we are back. That's the coffee station right here. Must have. And I just got done fixing the plumbing. This actually broke off right here, so we had to cut it, put it in a new piece. We got it ready to go, ready for a P-trap. This outlet needs to be replaced, and I also need to fix this. The knob on here isn't turning very well, so I have this right here that we're going to replace it with. So we're just going to replace this one. This one's working fine right here. That's the hot. This has the top for the hot water and the bottom for the washing machine, or dishwasher I should say. So we're gonna replace this here in a minute. We just got done cutting the holes for the drywall. Basically all you got to do is make your measurements for all the things that you have on your wall and put them on the board, on the drywall, green wall. And then I cut out these circles so that you could just take these plugs, so that you can cut out this portion of the plug, slide it over the pipe, and you'll have a perfect fit. So it makes it nice and clean when you're done. You just got to put some mud on it, and you'll be good. Alright now guys, tools are essential, man. I am definitely a Milwaukee fan. I do have Milwaukee and I do have DeWalt. They're both brushless. Both are actually really good. It's kind of hard to pick between the two. If you're a wood guy, Milwaukee is a little bit better because you have a little bit more control with the low settings. But other than that, they're pretty comparable. But I will say Milwaukee is a little bit better, and I do prefer it. Alright, due to the water damage, we had to tear out the insulation. As you can see, there isn't any insulation back here. So we're going to clean it up. We're going to put foam all along the bottom to make sure no bugs can get in or anything like that. We're going to put this insulation in. Now, this insulation is really nice because you're not going to have fiberglass all over your arms. It completely has this wrapping on there, so it makes it really nice. It's an R13, and this may be a little thin. It's 3 to 5 inches thick. It is a 4-inch gap that we're filling, but this stuff looks a little thin, so I may put 2 layers of this on there just to make sure it's extra insulated. Alright, so we're taking a break from the kitchen, and we are updating. Hey man, we're like YouTube bloggers over here, man. What's going on? You can't be blogging when I'm blogging, man. Dude, it's beautiful. Dude, chrome with the orange wheels, it just looks great. Look at that, man. Beautiful. God dang. Look at that. It's chrome. Beautiful, man.
Hey, you mean that shit?
Yeah, we're gonna do a hood scoop. Hood scoop on the front. We got a grill. We're gonna put a hood scoop right here. It's gonna look beautiful. All right, man. This is money, man. I'm excited. Dude, this looks 1,000 times better. Well, this is a good idea, Zach. Hey,
We got it.
right on, man. This thing's bad to the bone, dude. Hey, we even got the orange Home Depot bucket to match. Yeah, beautiful. Alright, the golf cart, aka shop truck, is now complete. We are looking for a name for her. If you do have a name that you like, please give us a comment and we'll consider it, man. Alright guys, it is late at night. We are filling up the truck with the parts that we need for tomorrow. We're going to be installing the Rare Parts tie rod ends. If your truck is lifted, this is a must-have part. Also, we're going to be doing an oil change on the truck, and this is the bypass oil filter cartridge. We also need DEF fluid, we need a tire rotation, so there's a lot of things going on tomorrow. Alright, well, as you guys know, it's been a long day. The kitchen is completely torn apart, so we are now in the camper, and didn't want to go out to eat. For some reason, just wanted some old school mac and cheese, man. So we switched it out with some better noodles. We're going to do that, but actually, this stuff right here is probably the best macaroni and cheese I've had. I'm going to go hide this from the kids. But I thought it might be a good idea to show you guys the camper, what it looks like. And there's basically 3 bunks back here. This is where we keep all the extra bedding. There is a ladder, large closet with double doors. This is what came in the trailer when we first bought it, and these things are a joke, so go out and buy these things, man. These things are amazing. Runs off of propane and off of electric. So all I have is my mac and cheese stuff in there. The restroom, it's got a little bathtub, sun fits in there. Shower head, I cannot remember what it's called, but it has a really unique design, so if you do find it on Amazon, that shower head is amazing, and I think it's a must-have for anybody that has an RV. Makes the water pressure a lot harder. There's a little dinette, and that folds into a bed. There's a TV. We have the PlayStation 3. The old school PlayStation 3. I actually prefer it over our PlayStation 4. This is a jackknife couch, and that couch pulls out really easily, and that's going to sleep a child. This over here, you could actually sleep 2 adults on this. This is the master bedroom, and one of the reasons why we actually got this one was because these doors are real wood. So no curtains, man. Curtains are just not going to work. And one of the other features I liked was you open up the door, you pull this little handle, and you can flip the TV around to the bedroom. So I thought that was really cool. One less TV to buy, one less PlayStation to buy. But we've been really happy with this. We purchased this in 2014, and it's been great. If you have a half-ton truck, this thing's a little too much for it. I mean, if you're not going to be going too far, but if you are going to do some long distance, 34 feet is a bit much. So, but this thing, it doesn't weigh very much. It's only about 6,000 pounds. But that's completely dry, and with all the water tanks, all the gear and everything, packing a lot of weight. But until the kitchen is ready, I'm going to be cooking in here. Well, we have a huge delay on the kitchen remodel. The hot water line underneath the foundation broke, so I'm gonna have to have a plumber come out and fix that. But in the meanwhile, I got another video lined up for you guys. Tomorrow, the Bigfoot Traxxas Slash, the original 1974 body, not the blue one, but the new body with the flames, is supposed to be coming in tomorrow. So I'm going to be making a video on that, and we'll continue the kitchen remodel later. I want to thank you guys. Please subscribe.